We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Espo。
And I hey Joseph Ling. I'm feeling a little hungry right now.
肚絲搖啊。
都是搖啊。But you know what? Today I want to talk about something that you got to watch out. Not only about your diet, but when you eat and what you eat, because a survey that is recently done here in Taiwan states that 87% of college students here in Taiwan would rather eat late night snacks over breakfast. 有87%的大学生宁愿吃宵夜也不吃早餐呢，好恐怖哦！
早餐，早餐，你要搞過哦。
对哈，早餐有
用板
早餐、午餐、晚餐我们都教过哈。Let's talk about meals again today. And Alice is giving me a pop quiz on the air right now.
来考你，早餐
有猪跟鸭在里，
猪跟鸭，
猪中午的时候吃猪，是猪，是午餐对不对？
对。
That's lunch because I remember it sounds like pig. And 鸭 which sounds like duck is dinner. 是鸭。
是鸭
啊，对对对，
晚餐。
那早餐的话应该就很简单，只是早。Okay, that's breakfast. So kind of reviewing some of the meals of the day. Again, 是早 that's breakfast. 是猪 is lunch, and 是鸭 is dinner. Now, what about late night snack? 如果是宵夜的话怎么办？现在要吃什么？要吃羊？要吃牛？是牛？
没啊，
是
小鸭。
哦，喂，就是宵夜就对了，宵鸭哦，
是小鸭，
是小鸭，这样听起来就像烧鸭
吃烧鸭
又饿了怎么办？不对，我们这边要呼吁大家不要吃太多宵夜。我们在干什么啊？是小鸭，That's
小鸭
late night snack. Okay, so please try not to eat late night snacks, and even if you have to, stay away from certain foods such as
油炸的东西，不好吃。
油炸的东西不好吃，
不要去吃。
油炸的东西不要吃，是不是？Okay.
冇健康。
That's true. Yeah. You know, every time I have that salty fried chicken here in Taiwan, I like it, but then I'm like, no, I shouldn't have it, and I put it down. But when conscious is not working, then it's going to ruin my diet and my health. So you got to be very careful about that, okay? Anyways, this is our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.